Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to create text with a double outline in Canva. So we have added a text, select the text, then you can select the font and the sizes and the color if you want. I'll keep it like this way. Then go to the effects and from there select outline and then increase the thickness to 200 and then select the color. You can choose any of the colors you want. I'm going to choose red. Okay, now right click on it and then select duplicate. Okay, drag the duplicate one and then go to the effects and then reduce the thickness to let's select 150 and then change the color. Let's say like this time we want green. Okay, now all you have to do is drag and drop this. You see, like we have a double outline in Canva. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.